So you can think of this as sigma notation with a 5. And R here can be any number, 1 to 4, for example. This represents the sigma notation. So you can see that the counter here, R, is not included in here. And that means that 5 here will be repeated 4 times. Similarly, we can think of we can express 6k in a similar fashion. 6k can think of it as k plus k plus k plus k plus k 6 times. All right. Since there are 6 times of this k, so it's the same as that. So this is the summation of r from 1 to 6 of k. And k here is not related to the counter r. Right. So next question. 3, 5, 7, and you can see that this is just an arithmetic series where the common ratio is actually 2. So then I can rewrite this as the summation from the first term is 3. So you're just basically writing the un term of a arithmetic series. So you can see this is actually an arithmetic series of common difference equal to 2. And what we need to do is to put in the general term. General term here is just the general term for the arithmetic sequence. So this is going to be n minus 1 d. D in this case is 2. Right, so I can put n equal to 1 up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, right? 1 to 6 of 3 plus n minus 1 times 2. So you can simplify that. N equal to 1, 6. So it's going to be 3 plus 2n minus 2, for example. And this is the same as the summation from n equal to 1 to 6 of 1 plus 2n, for example. So that's the answer. Last is again an arithmetic series with a common ratio equal to 1. So that will be easy. So the general term in this case is just going to be 1 plus n minus 1 times 1. And it go from n equal to 1 to m. And notice that here, because I'm more familiar with using n for the arithmetic series, I use the counter as n and not r. That's okay. That's not a problem. So n from equal to 1 to m. So this will be 1 plus n minus 1. So you can see that this is just equal to n, for example. So every time you see this particular sigma notation, you should recognize this as an arithmetic series. So what kind of generalization do we have? Well, the first one is this. If you have a constant in a sigma notation from a to b, then you have going to have b minus a plus 1k. For example, over here, all right, 4 minus 1, I see that 4 minus 1 is just 3. That's not going to be 4. So you have to be plus 1 times 5. That give me 4 times of 5. So similarly, we're going to have b minus a plus 1 times k. It's important to remember this generalization. Next, if you have a r here, a counter here from 1 to m, this is just an arithmetic series. So that's the answer. All right. So this is an arithmetic series. The first m term with common difference equal to 1 and the first term equal to 1. Next, if you see this particular thing, this is going to be a geometric series, right? So geometric series have this. This is from our previous example. Okay, this is a geometric series with the first term equal to a and the common ratio also a.